So this is us and my white Shepard Diablo. Him doing a tornado siren. Dee. Yeah, you're anxious. You hear sirens.
Restart it.
It's fine.
This ain't the right one.
Yeah, it is. It started like this.
It is.
He hears it now. He looks out the window because he thinks he sees something. Every time the sirens go, he's doing this. We're just doing it on YouTube. And he'll go nuts. Dee.
What's that? Dee, what's that? Diablo?
My dog thinks he's a fucking tornado siren. Turn that down so they can hear him. What is that?
What do we do, Diablo? What do we do?
Copy the sirens.
Should we go to the basement?
Alright, I'm done.